Let me tell you something you won't hear in most breastfeeding classes. That first latch might feel like your baby is trying to suck the soul right out of your body. But before you panic and reach for formula, know this: what you're feeling is completely normal, temporary, and fixable. I'm going to walk you through exactly how to transform those painful first attempts into effortless, pain-free nursing sessions that leave both you and your baby blissfully satisfied. Want a happier, healthier family life? Hit subscribe now for science-backed secrets to better love, parenting, and self-care, delivered straight to your heart. Also tell me in comments that from where you are watching my video. Now let's start. Picture this: it's 3 a.m., you're exhausted beyond belief, and your newborn is rooting frantically at your chest like a tiny, ravenous animal. Your nipples are already sore from yesterday's attempts, and you're wondering if maybe those formula samples in your hospital bag wouldn't be so bad after all. Stop right there. What you're experiencing is the crucial learning period, for both of you. Studies from the Journal of Human Lactation show that nearly 92% of new mothers experience nipple pain in the first week. But here's the game-changing detail: 87% of those cases resolve completely with proper positioning and latch techniques. Let's break down the latching process in a way no one does. When your baby opens wide, and I mean wide, like a baby bird going after a worm, don't just shove your breast in their mouth. Instead, think of it like threading a needle. You're aiming your nipple toward the back of their mouth, where the soft palate is. The moment their chin makes contact with your breast, quickly but gently pull their whole body in close. What you're feeling for is that strong, rhythmic suck-swallow pattern that means they're getting milk efficiently. If you hear clicking sounds or see their cheeks dimpling, that's your cue to break suction with your pinky finger and try again. Now let's talk positions beyond the standard cradle hold that everyone shows you. The biological nurturing position is revolutionary. Lean back at about a 45-degree angle and let your baby lie tummy to tummy on your body. Gravity does half the work, and your baby's natural reflexes take over. Research from the University of Copenhagen found this position increases successful latching by 38% in newborns. For nighttime feedings, the side-lying position will become your best friend. Prop yourself up with pillows behind your back, tuck one between your knees, and position baby facing you. This allows you to rest while nursing, crucial for your recovery. Your milk supply operates on a simple but miraculous principle: demand and supply. Every time milk is removed from your breasts, whether by baby or pump, your body gets the signal to make more. That cluster feeding marathon at 2 weeks postpartum? That's not your supply failing, it's your baby putting in their order for increased production. A landmark study from the University of California followed 500 new mothers and found that women who responded to cluster feeding by nursing on demand established 23% greater milk supplies by 6 weeks postpartum compared to those who tried to schedule feedings. Here's what most lactation consultants won't tell you: your emotional state directly impacts your milk flow. Stress triggers adrenaline, which literally inhibits letdown. When you're tense, your milk literally won't flow as well. That's why creating a calm nursing environment is just as important as proper positioning. Try this: before nursing, take 3 deep belly breaths, roll your shoulders back, and consciously relax your jaw. You'll be amazed at how much easier the milk flows when you're not clenched like a fist. Now let's tackle the biggest breastfeeding myths head-on. Myth number 1: you need to drink milk to make milk. False, your body makes milk from your blood, not your stomach. Myth number 2: you can't breastfeed if you have flat or inverted nipples. Not true. With proper techniques and sometimes nipple shields, even women with severe inversion can breastfeed successfully. Myth number 3: breastfed babies need scheduled feedings. Absolutely wrong. Research shows feeding on demand leads to better weight gain and milk supply. The first 6 weeks are the hardest, but here's the beautiful part: it gets exponentially easier. By 3 months, you'll be nursing without even thinking about it, able to do it in the dark, while half asleep, possibly while scrolling through your phone with your free hand. That initial struggle transforms into one of the most effortless, beautiful parts of motherhood. Remember, every drop counts, every feeding matters, and you're doing an incredible job.